Now, how to done clip on vector analysis. One of the vector analysis process, how to clip feature on QGIS software. At first, you open two polygon shape file on your computer. At first, open one polygon shape file. Then open another polygon shape file. This is one polygon shape file, and this is two polygon shape file are open in computer. And when clip process is done, and the two shape file is intercross each other. The two shape file must be intercross each other. How to done clip? At first, go to vector menu, go to geoprocessing tool, and choose clip. Input vector layer. Suppose input polygon 2. Clip layer. Input polygon 1, and gives the shapefile clip feature saving name and location on your computer, and click OK. The clip has been done. Suppose this is the polygon 2 shapefile, and this is the polygon 1 shapefile, and clip procedure is done. The clip feature is completed on your computer. Okay, thank you.